So this week I've just had some people fit some insulation and boarding in the loft of the library, and as you can see the ladder's in place here, and if you'd kindly follow me up, let's see what we can see in there now that it's been done. It's quite a tall room, and you can see it's a very tall ladder, so I'm going to have to try and hold this camera while climbing the ladder and without falling off. Do you think I can make it? Let's see. Let us see. It's quite an old ladder this. It was left by my predecessors, and there's also a cracked pane of glass which got damaged during the work and is going to be replaced on the charge of the company that did the loft boarding, because they were responsible and they've owned up to that. So if we come all the way up to the top here, and it's completely dark for now, but I shall resist falling off, and instead I'm going to put the light on because the light's been fitted up here. So here we are. I'm just going to carry on right up to the top, and this is a piece of the new boarding here, and that's the roof. So I'm going to very carefully ease my way to the top here and temporarily put the camera down just to make sure I don't fall off. And then I'm going to pick it up again. I'm sitting down on the top. So look around here, these are the eaves of the loft, and this is where the boarding's been put down all the way around here. And these are the old chimney stacks that were cut down before I bought the house, I think decades ago. I was told it was in the 70s. Two chimney stacks here, so there used to be two fireplaces in this house, incredibly. It's only a semi-detached house, and that's the party wall over there. You can see there's an old aerial in the centre, and I don't want to get too close to the light, but where it's bright is obviously where the light has been fitted. So I've now got this nice boarding here, and all the way around this room. So I'm going to very carefully go over the top because I don't know for sure how strong this underlying joists are, but they should be strong enough to take relatively light things in storage. So what my plan is now is to move up here a lot of things which I found here before it was boarded, and which are now sitting downstairs and cluttering up the spare bedrooms downstairs. Move them up here so I can then have new flooring put down in parts of the upstairs so that it's nicer for visitors or guests in the future. If you look beyond here, there's a darker portion because there are some beams there, and that leads into the area over the bay window at the front, and even that has been boarded. If you look through here, right at the end, even beyond where the light will shine there, there's a little bit of boarding, and there's a brick wall at the back there, but you can't actually see it. Just like that one, but smaller, because it's where the structure over the front of the house is. So go back round here, look in the other direction. Lots of space for storage. Now of course this flooring, as it's just chipboard, it won't be strong enough for use as a proper room. At best probably somebody could have a camp bed here, but really I need additional insulation in the roof line to make it warm enough even for that. But technically it's not actually classed as a room because it hasn't been reinforced, so it's only really good for light storage, but there's certainly a fair bit of room. It would be nice to deconstruct this old aerial though. It's a bit of an eyesore there in the middle of the room and just hanging on that centre post there. So let's go around the corner here. You can see a similar picture here extending into the eaves, the boarding, all the way there, and I'm going to go back down the ladder. But first I'm going to be safe and put the camera down, because it really isn't a good idea to lower oneself onto a ladder which isn't secured to anything at all while holding another object, because one needs both hands. So I'm going to be sensible now, and I'm going to stop the video here in fact. Okay, thanks for watching.